Let's be clear. Technology isn't just a delivery system anymore. It's reshaping the way we design, build, and experience learning. Instructional design and tech? Let's just say they're not dating casually. They're in a serious relationship. Flashback time. We started with chalkboards and paper worksheets. Fast forward, and we've got AI tutors, VR field trips, and mobile learning apps that track your progress while you make coffee. Technology has come a long way, and so has how we use it to teach. Why all the buzz? Because interactive multimedia keeps learners engaged. Because screen readers and adaptive platforms make learning accessible to everyone. And because tech lets you scale your course from 5 learners to 5,000 without losing sleep. But hold up, not all tech stories have happy endings. The digital divide is real. Some learners have cutting-edge devices. Others are working off shared phones and spotty Wi-Fi. And that's not just an inconvenience, it's an equity issue. Then there's the risk of cognitive overload. Yes, we can add 12 widgets, 4 videos, 3 quizzes, and a leaderboard to one lesson. But should we? Too much tech equals too much noise. And confused learners don't learn, they shut down. The solution? Intentional integration. Use technology that aligns with your learning objectives. Design with empathy. Test with real users. Iterate often. Because the goal isn't to dazzle. It's to deliver meaningful, accessible learning that works for everyone. Technology is powerful, but it's not about using every shiny tool in the toolbox. It's about choosing the right tools for the right learners at the right time. That's the real role of technology in instructional design. Stick with us as we dive deeper into integrating technology intentionally and transforming how learning happens. Discussion time. How can we tell the difference between useful educational technology and distracting digital noise? Share a time when tech either enhanced or overwhelmed your learning experience, and reflect on how you balance innovation with intentionality in your design. Thank you for viewing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, at Digital Education Zone, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.